Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the voice typing from your keyboard on your Android phone. So if you're using the Gboard, this is very easy. You can see it's completely disabled right there. So let's go to the top right and go to settings. Now if you're on a Samsung or something like that, just type in keyboard under search. And it should be under general management. You just go to the Samsung keyboard and there should be a voice typing option in there. So you can see I typed in keyboard. Let's type everything in. And this will be under system. So if you go to the main settings menu, scroll on down to system. On-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard here. Go to the Gboard. Go to voice typing. And then you can just turn it on or off right here. So that's how you get there. And then you can go back to the keyboard and it's going to be completely turned off. So I'm going to turn this on. So like I said, on the Samsung version, go to general management. You should be able to delete it on there. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.